and we have two diagrams. And the question is saying in diagram A and B, which principles of building planning are being represented? Now there are several options. Okay, four options are there: prospect, aspect, circulation, prospect, aspect, prospect, grouping, and prospect. Now let's focus on the diagram themselves. See, when we are looking at diagram A, then we can clearly see sunlight and wind. These two natural elements are making their way into that structure. Means whatever natural elements are out there, such as light, that is sunlight, natural light is there, and wind, fresh air is there, they are being allowed in the structure, or orientation of that building is made in such a way that these things can be allowed, or let's say they are being let in. Thereby, maintaining this specific thing is called as aspect. Okay, letting the natural elements enter into your structure is called as aspect. And the second thing, here we can see the user or the client of the building or the owner of the building can see this lawn garden, means this landscaping can be seen from inside the building. Okay, whenever we can observe a good aesthetic or let's say pleasant view from inside the structure, that principle which is being followed here is called as prospect. Thereby, what aspect is and what prospect is, see, when we are letting in the natural elements, it is called as aspect. And when we are looking at the natural element, let's say some scenery is there, let's say in case we are having a beach house, then the windows and the doors, all these openings should be in such a way that the external beauty can be seen, can be observed from inside of the building. It is called as prospect. Thereby, the option should be what? Aspect and prospect respectively. Option C stand as the answer, aspect and prospect respectively. In diagram A, aspect is being followed, and in diagram B, prospect is being followed. All right. See, when we're looking at aspect, what we can see here, letting maximum natural elements such as sunlight and ventilation, or let's say wind, fresh air inside the building, it is called as aspect. And when we are saying that we can have pleasant view of outside scenery, then it should be called as what? Prospect. Okay, so this is aspect and this is prospect. Letting things in, aspect. Looking at the things, prospect. All right, so this should be clear with the principles aspect and prospect. Now